Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cash ledger, easy method. Start by gathering receipts, bank statements, and your starting cash balance, then choose a clear table layout. Enter each transaction with date, description, debit, credit, and update a running balance. Reconcile weekly to match bank records and spot mistakes early. Keep entries concise and consistent, and back up a digital copy for safety and easy searching later. Create your ledger structure in a spreadsheet or ledger book and label columns clearly. Enter the opening cash balance first, so all future entries update the running total accurately. Log each transaction on its own line with a short description and either a debit or credit amount. Use formulas in a spreadsheet to auto-calculate the running balance or carefully compute totals by hand if you prefer analog record keeping. Reconcile your cash ledger regularly by matching entries to bank statements and receipts to catch errors quickly. Highlight recurring transactions and automate them when possible to save time. When you find unknown items, move them to a suspense box and resolve them within a few business days. Regular reconciliation keeps your cash position accurate and makes tax time easier, while simple habits reduce stress and improve financial control for your business or personal finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.